here at the Essential Look Shoot to create one of the iconic looks for BLONDME. Over time, and especially over-processed chemical blonde, hair is prone to becoming affected from hard water, dust, pollution, leaving it lifeless, dull and even glossy. So today's look is about reviving that lifeless hair and getting it back to that super shiny, super sparkly blonde, a BLONDME blonde.
Take a section around the entire hairline. Mix BLONDME Bonding Forcing Premium Lightener with 2%, a ratio of 1 to 2. Now, with a highlight weave application, take your foils from the nape working up to each parting, weaving a large amount of hair into each weave. Leave up to 45 minutes. Use BLONDME Detoxifying System Purifying Bonding Shampoo. Now we come to the BLONDME Detoxifying System Care Regime. Freshly mix 1 sachet of BLONDME Detoxifying System Shot with 25 grams of the BLONDME Keratin Restore Bonding Mask. Apply mixture and comb through for an even application. Leave in for between 10 to 20 minutes. Apply BLONDME Detoxifying System Bi-Phase Bonding and Protecting Spray onto damp hair to nourish the hair and to shield it again from environmental aggressors. Recommend your client BLONDME Detoxifying System for at-home maintenance.